it this year on the site here on their farm. It's going to be built, and they're preparing the foundation now and the flooring before they start putting up the walls. We got a crew of the Campbell clan, the Waldy clan here today, and some of the Grahams, hopefully, to help build this original poplar log home that Grandpa and Grandma Graham homesteaded in up on the Jack Reed farm. It wasn't Jack Reed's at that time, that later became his farm. Here they've resawed a lot of lumber. They brought in a bunch of poles to start the foundation with, and they're gradually getting underway. I guess these are the main floorboards that are being laid now on these timbers. Sandy Campbell on the saw. Original hewer of wood.
That's right. Isn't this lovely? Full west.
Yeah, well, that's great. I don't know.
They got a team now to start with. Pete and
yeah, team of Perchins.
Yeah, they're great. Oh, here's somebody. Is this Howard?
Bob Waldy's hayfield out there. Some nice rolls of bales. It's beautiful weather for it now. There's Richard.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
Same island.
Well, he's,
now there's a big gap there, though, where Bob used to be.
Uncle Doug's son's away.
Do you want to just sit sideways, maybe, Dad?
Noontime. Home was never like this.
Yeah, I'm gonna get it in there.
What would you like? Can I get something for you?
Everybody's getting their plates filled up.
Pretty hard to pour that big jug of water. Okay, Auntie Carol's getting your drink of water over there.
Okay, we have iced tea coming in.
Hi, Dan.
Iced tea.
How are you?
Here we go.
Good.
That looks good, Richard.
Yeah, it is. Well, I'm assuming it is.
Yeah. Great.
It's chilly around.
Water, juice, or coffee?
I think I'm going to find some shade.
Are you going to get too warm in there?
I think we're set for today, or for this meal, but... Yep. How about you guys sit down somewhere and over here?
Oh, hungry people here.
There's one.
Go sit down somewhere, hon, at the table. What is that, darling?
Here, come on, we'll go find Mom. There's here, I'll put that thing away. There's Gloria's birthday. There's Howard got married.
Oh, look at what.
No, but there are cakes coming. I think Ruth's bringing a cake.
There it is. Jesse, you could Katie's here on the bench. Lift up the wheel, Jessie.
Mama, what?
Well, that's what I thought was. What the green is.
I don't know what they've done. 3, 4, 6, 8, 16, 18, 20. Well, this will be the end of the week. Is this kind of what you had in mind here?
These are all the logs from the home that they're going to resurrect here. These were taken down last year and brought down here and put under the weather to keep until this year. They did a good job. So they'll be going on top of this other main foundation to rebuild the house.
You don't like watermelon
That's
either?
cut short,
You're
yeah.
crazy. Best thing.
Generator. We even got lots of help here today. Everybody's working, even the little tigers. All the joists down for the subfloor.